Hey buddy, Luxinda Swirl. Okay, we are going to try another cup with the gold and torch wispy things. So the last time you saw me try this, I took a white spray painted cup and I dabbed a whole bunch of different aquas and greens in alcohol ink onto the white base. Then I resined it and I put the gold mica powder in resin drizzles on, and I hit those with a torch. And in my mind's eye, I was going to get something much more striking than what I got, which, I mean, it's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. And I was compelled to follow up with some graphics and a saying, because I didn't think this all by itself was as striking as what I had thought I was going to get. And I think the problem is because I started with a white base. The whole thing was just lighter than I was looking for. So I have taken the same 20-ounce skinny tumbler with a handle thing, the Hogdol, and I have spray painted it with a base layer of Rust-Oleum 2X in Satin Lagoon, which is the darkest teal paint I have right now. And I'm going to try again. I got out the darkest teal pigmented alcohol inks I have. This is Resin in turquoise, and these three are from Woody's Goodies. And dark cap usually means not only dark tint, but also denser pigmentation. And we have Bailey's, Envy, and Happy Colada. And there may not be that much difference among the four. It may kind of sort of look all the same, but I'm just going to see if we can get a darker teal here. And then I'm going to try again with the resin and the gold wispies. Okay, that's a lot prettier. Still get a little bit of texture, but it's nice and dark. I like that. I like that a lot. All right, let me get a towel, one of my $1 paper towel holders from Dollar Tree. There we go. All right, so I'm gonna let this dry. I will take it outside and spray it with a layer or two of Rust-Oleum 2X matte clear. That will seal the inks in place so they won't run under resin. Some people don't have that problem. They can go straight to resin from here. For whatever reason, I have occasionally had that problem where my alcohol inks run when I don't seal them first. So I'm just gonna go ahead and seal them on. And I'll meet you back here and we'll try our gold wispies again. We're back. Okay, we have our deep dark teal Hogdol 20-ounce handled cup, and I am going to mix up some resin. I'm going to put some Marabou rainbow alcohol ink in it for sparkle, and I'm going to siphon off a couple milliliters into each of these 3 cups and mix in a little bit of our marble color in gold, silver, and what is it, probably brass. I'm going to use these 3 colors, these 3 metallics in resin on this cup, drizzled on, and hit them with a torch, and we'll see what we end up with. Sit back and enjoy the show. Here we go. And we're back. Okay, let's see what happened. Ooh, oh, look at all the pretty wispies. Oh, it's gorgeous. All right. Oh, gosh, that is gorgeous. Look, I got cells. Not lots, not a ton. Different layers. Oh, that is just stunning. Look at that. I'm still not sure this is exactly what I had in my mind's eye, but this is a whole lot closer and even in some cases way beyond anything I was hoping for. Look at all the cells, look. Look, aren't they beautiful? It's almost like underwater sea creatures of metallic origin on another planet maybe. Just beautiful. Oh man, I love how this turned out. Look, it's so exciting. I think the next thing we have to do is take this out in the sunshine to see it sparkle in all its glory. Stay tuned.